Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Naftali Nurulila, and in this video I will to show you about this topic. It was a sensor, and I'm not be a lot for this video because I have my team. And this my team, it was first is Maudina, second is me Naftali Nurulila, and the last is Muhammad Zikri Abdullah. Okay, let's go to the topic. What do you think about sensor? What is sensor? Sensor is an element that converts physical or chemical signal into the electronic signal that a computer needs. Generally, sensors are formed from transistors that have changed the physical or chemical quantities into order from first. And sensor is had a three types. It was basic sensor, chemical sensor, and biological sensor. For the physics sensor, it was detect a quantity based on the law of physics. For example, it was light sensor, sound, force, pressure, vibration, motion, speed, acceleration, gravity, temperature, humidity, magnetic sensor, and each other. And the next, it was chemical sensor. Chemical sensor is detect the amount of a chemical substance by quantity into electrical quantity. For example, it was pH sensor, oxygen sensor, explosion sensor, and gas sensor. And the last, it was biological sensor. Biological sensors are classified into the three types: sensor and biomolecules. For example, leucine, nutrients, and pheromones. For molecular and biomolecular sensor. The next sensor, it was a measurement sensor for measuring glucose. It was oxygen, glucose, and osmolality level. And the last, it was protein and hormone measurement sensor. Maybe that's it for I explain the sensor for the type. The next, it was my friend to introduce all kind of sensor. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Zikri Abdullah and I will continue my friend presentation. All kind of sensors. The first one is proximity sensor. Is a sensor or switch that can detect the presence of metal type target without physical contact. This proximity sensor can be classified into four types: inductive proximity sensor, capacitive proximity sensor, ultrasonic proximity sensor, and photoelectric sensor. Okay, the next is inductive proximity sensor. A proximity sensor is used to detect the presence of metal, both ferrous and non-ferrous metal. This sensor is used to detect the presence and count of metal objects. Next is capacitive proximity sensor. A proximity sensor capable of detecting the movement of the chemical composition of the liquid combustion and pressure. This sensor can detect low dielectric material such as plastic or glass and higher dielectric material such as mercury. So this is possible. This type of sensor detects the level of many materials through glass, plastic, or other container composition. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm Maudinar. Okay, the first ultrasonic proximity sensor, a sensor that uses an operating principle similar to radar or sonar, namely by producing high frequency wave to analyze the issues after passing from an approaching object. And the last, photoelectric proximity sensor. A proximity sensor that uses a light-sensitive element to detect objects. It is made up of a light source, emitter, and a receiver. Okay, thank you. Thank you for attention. And goodbye.